Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to move an installed game from the Epic Games launcher to another directory on your computer. Firstly, navigate to the game installation directory you want to move. Next, make a backup copy the game you want to move on your computer. Copy this game folder to another location on your computer. Once the backup is done, open the Epic Games launcher. Click on Library. Locate the game you want to move. Click on the three dots next to it and click on Uninstall. Once the game is uninstalled, click on the game in your library to start installing it and select the new installation location you would like it to be in. Once the download begins, after 2 to 3% is downloaded, click on the three dots next to the game name and click on Cancel Install. Navigate to the new installation directory you selected for the game and copy the backed up game folder to this location. If you receive a warning to replace any duplicate files, click on Replace to do so. After copying is complete, go back Epic Games launcher, then resume the installation process. Once the files are verified, you should be able to launch the game. That's it, guys. I assume this guide was helpful to you.